Hello student, welcome back in Krishna classes. Today's topic is solutions. What is the solutions? This topic has taken from the chapter 2 of class 9th. The name of the chapter, you know very well, the name of the chapter is matter around us pure? This is the name of the chapter. Your answer is no. The matter which are present around us, that are not pure. They are mixture of more than one matter. So in the scientific term, they are called mixture, not pure substance. Okay, so now come on the solutions. And for the knowledge of previous topics, chapter 1, chapter 8 motion, you also have to subscribe my channel Krishna classes, and playlist also available on my channel Krishna classes. So for the detailed knowledge, first you have to press like button and subscribe my channel Krishna classes. So let's start the solutions topics. And I want to say something more. The students who is new on my channel, don't worry about the topics. I will also take the quick revision classes for you. So for detailed knowledge, you have to subscribe first my channel Krishna classes. My name is Surbhi. Let's start the today's topic, solutions. What is the solutions? It is a homogeneous mixture. What is the meaning of homogeneous mixture? It is a homogeneous mixture. What is the meaning of homogeneous mixture? What is the meaning of homogeneous mixture? The meaning of homogeneous mixture is the taste. If you take the example of lemonade, then you can say the taste of lemonade in all over solution is equal. It means the constituent of lemonade is same all over the container. That is called the homogeneous mixture. And when constituents are not same in all places, that is called the heterogeneous mixture. Okay, so here in your class only homogeneous mixture has given. So it is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substance. It is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substance, that is called the solution. So what is the example of solution? Lemonade. You drink lemonade in summer season. Soda water, you also know about the soda water, etc. These are the solutions. So lemonade, soda water, these are the solutions example. And what is the alloys? Alloys is also the solutions. You know very well the utensils used in our kitchen, like plates, bowls, glasses, they are made up from steels. Steel is the alloy. What is the alloy? They are the mixture of more than two metals. Okay, alloy is also the solutions. Air is also the solutions of so many gases. So lemonade, soda water, etc., they are the liquid solution, and alloys are the solid solution. Air is the gaseous solution. So also the solutions, you think about solutions meaning is only liquid, but they are not only liquid solution, they are also solid solution and gaseous solution. So they are the example of solutions. Now come on the component of solution. What is the components of solution? There are two components of solution, that is the solvent and second one is the solute. First is the solvent and second one is the solute. There are two components of the solution. What is the solute? This quantity is always is lesser than the solvent. Solute is always small in quantity and dissolve in the major quantity of the solvent, that is called the solute. And what is the solvent? There also is greater quantity or major quantity, and in this solute particle are dissolved. Okay, so by both component you can make solution. Okay, what is the example of solutions? Like sugar solutions. What is the sugar solution? You know very well, when sugar dissolved in water, then the solution is formed, that is homogeneous mixture and called the solutions. So this is the solutions. Now come on the properties. What is the properties of the solutions? Solutions are homogeneous mixture. Solutions are homogeneous mixture. It means the constituent of solute and solvents are equal throughout the container. That is called the homogeneous solutions. And now come on the next point. Particles of solutions are smaller. Particles of solutions are smaller, that is 1 nanometer. Solutions particles is so smaller, that is 1 nanometer. It means 10 to power minus 9 meter. You can't see by your normal eyes. Okay, so due to the small size, they do not scatter beam of light. Particles are very small in size, that's why they do not scatter the beams of light. So you can't see the rays of light in the solutions. Okay. Now come on the next and last point. Solute particles cannot be separated. Solute particles cannot be separated by the solutions and do not settle down. And also solute particles do not settle down because they are the homogeneous mixture. That's why they cannot be separated and they cannot be settled down in the bottom of the container. So this is the properties. Hope you understand today's class very well. I repeat my class again. What is the today's class? Solutions. It is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substance. Is it the homogeneous? I told you what is the homogeneous mixture. When solute and solvent constituent, it means both components constituent is equal in throughout the container, that is called the homogeneous mixture. Example, laminate, soda water, etc. This is the liquid solution. Also solid solution available like alloys, like example of steel, when two or more than two metals mix and form alloys. And air is also the solution. This is the solutions of the gaseous. This is the example of gaseous solution in which so many airs mixed together like nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, carbon, sulfur, etc. What is the component of the solutions? Solute and solvent. Solute is always lesser in amount and solvent is always major in amount. Example, sugar solution. What is the property? Solutions are homogeneous in mixture. Particles of solutions are smaller than the 1 nanometer. It means 10 to power minus 9 meter. And due to small size, they do not scatter beam of light. Solute particle cannot be separated and also do not settle down in the bottom of the container. So this is the today's class. Hope you understand this topic very well. And you can take also the screenshot for your memory and also write in your notebook whatever you want, screenshot or write down. So this is Surbhi here. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Krishna Classes for the detailed knowledge of class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th, all science chapter and chemistry. Thank you so much for the watching.